Hello traders, in today's video we're going to be taking a close look at the PZ Ichimoku EA for MT4 and MT5. This one's from point zero trading and it's been around for a while. It's marketed for free as a flexible, customizable expert advisor built around the classic Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator. If you're into trend following systems or you already trade with clouds and lines, this might catch your interest, but as always, you are going to break it down realistically. Okay, before we dive into that, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so what actually powers this EA? According to the developer, it's a rules-based system that automates several common Ichimoku setups. It looks for things like Kumo cloud breakouts, where price breaks above or below the cloud for potential trend entries. Then you've got um, the the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen crosses. Those are the faster and slower lines, and it can take signals on those crosses with different confirmations, like whether it's inside a cloud or with cloud color. Alright, it also does Kijun Sen breakouts, both in the direction of the trend and sometimes counter trend depending on how you set it. The developer highlights that you get multiple entry conditions you can mix and match, so it's not just one rigid strategy. It's designed to capture trend following opportunities while giving you control over how aggressively or conservative you want to be or you want to trade. On the MQ5 page on their site, they show backtests with nice looking equity curves. As you can see, they talk about solid performance um, when properly configured with customizable stop loss, take profits, break even, and trailing stops. No over the top promises like 1000% returns. They keep it straightforward, same results depend heavily on your settings and market conditions. They position it as an ideal EA for traders who already understand Ichimoku and want to automate their manual rules. Right, so you can see how it looks. This is a strategy tester report on the Euro USD pair 1 hour time frame from 2004 1st of January to the 19th of September 2016 for a wide period. The initial deposit was $1,000, and over the period, it got up a profit of $14,389. The profit factor was 1.20, and the drawdown was 25.96% for the total trades taken being 7,252 trades. All right, so let's also take a look at the um, features and settings. Actually, it's basically just dwelling on what I've already mentioned. The big selling point is customization. You can enable or disable each type of entry signal independently. Cloud breaks, line crosses, all of that. There are session filters for Asian, London, or New York to avoid low volume periods. Money management includes fixed lots, risk percent, and even martingale or inverse martingale options, though they recommend sticking with manual lots for safety. Position management is solid with break even, trailing stop with step, and PIP based SL and TP. You can tweak the Ichimoku periods if you want, but defaults are the standard 9, 26, 52. There's also directional filters and magic number for running multiple instances. Overall, they market it as giving you complete freedom to build your own Ichimoku strategy inside an EA. It's easy to use and supervise, works on ECM brokers, and supports multiple symbols. Alright, now for my own backtest, um, I was able to run it on the same pair as in their strategy test reports, the EUR on the same time frame as well, the hourly. But my backtest period was for 1 year from 2025 April 1st to 2026 April 1st for an initial deposit of $10,000. All right. So I ran it over recent data with good history quality, and looking at the equity curve, it's a long, slow grind with a lot of chop. You see periods where it stays flat or drifts down. Um, with some small recoveries toward the end. Overall, it ended with a small net loss of about $82, as you can see in our backtest reports. Net loss of $82. Profit factor came in at 0.77, meaning it made 272 in gross profits but gave back 355 in gross loss. Um, Drawdowns were very controlled, around 1.14% on a balance and 1.19 on equity. Okay, I have that over here, which is nice. But the total number of trades taken over the period were 334 trades. All right. Compared to the developer's smoother curves, this is more what you'd often see in real world conditions on recent choppy data. The thing is, Ichimoku systems like this can work great in strong trends, but get whipsawed in ranging markets, which is exactly what the curve shows. Key inputs that actually matter include those entry condition toggles, the session filters, and how you handle trailing and risks. Martingale is there, but honestly, I would say you should stay far away from it. Let's head back to the page. Alright, so what are the nuances and risks? In live trading, especially page on news, price sensitivity on lower time frames, and the need for pair optimization. Core fitting is a real danger with all those toggles. It behaves okay in trends but can die slow deaths in sideways action. Broker execution matters. So the realistic verdict, this isn't a set and forget money printer. It's for experienced traders who know Ichimoku well, like tinkering with settings and are willing to forward test thoroughly on demo. Beginners or anyone wanting plug and play should probably avoid it. Most people over optimize and struggle live. Alright, so if you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you want reviewed next. And don't forget to grab that free robot from the description. It's got a bunch of indicators and patterns built in. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.